Verifying your bank account on SoFi is a straightforward process that ensures your financial transactions are secure. Follow these steps to complete the verification. Step 1. Open the SoFi app. Download and install the SoFi app from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open the app and log into your SoFi account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use the SR to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Select bank verification. Choose the option to verify your bank account. You may be prompted to enter your bank's name or select it from a list. Step 4. Enter your bank details. Provide the necessary information, such as your bank account number and routing number. Ensure that all details are accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm verification. After entering your bank details, follow any additional prompts to confirm the verification process. You may need to wait for a few minutes for the verification to complete. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account should be successfully verified on SoFi. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to SoFi customer support for assistance.